Good morning, Lumen students. It's week 15. This is your Monday video. I have just a short visual aid to help you understand the grammar concepts that we're working on today for our action item. And we're going to be working on contractions as well as other purposes and uses for apostrophes. So I have some graham crackers here, and see I've got a graham cracker on each word. It says can, and that's supposed to say not. What happens there? That does not look very good at all. Okay. And imagine that we're gonna like combine these two words, okay? Oh no, it's not working very good. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, we're ready. Yes, that one worked. Okay, so we got rid of the N and O at the beginning of not, and now it spells can't. No, it doesn't look too good. And we need to put an apostrophe there in the middle where the N and the O originally were. Okay, so the apostrophe holds the place and lets you know, oh, we took out some letters, and normally this would say cannot, but now it's can't. And we use the apostrophe to show the letters that we removed. Let's do the same thing again. Maybe. If this time works as a visual aid for you. Oh, the things that I do, okay? So now it's spelling can't, and we need to put our apostrophe here. Marking the place of the crackers that are missing. Yeah. You know, the sacrifices I make as your teacher, it's just crazy. You're going to do that same thing. Did not, didn't. Okay, we're going to mark the place where the letters were removed with a hyphen or an apostrophe. Will not becomes won't. Should not, shouldn't. Would not, wouldn't. You can go on in examples of how we use an apostrophe in this way. O is generally the letter that is removed. In the case of cannot, it was a second N and an O. But usually it's just the O that we cut out. I don't know why O is so unpopular, why O's aren't good in contractions. But so you mark that space between the N and the T with an apostrophe. Okay. So again, the O is usually removed, and instead of that O, we put an apostrophe. Go on. No O in the word anymore. It's my breakfast. Okay, the other time that you're going to be using an apostrophe has to do with my gorgeous house here. Come on, you can do it. Don't judge. I've worked hard on this creation. And I think it's beautiful. So what on earth would apostrophes have to do with this lovely gingerbread house that I'm building? Can anybody think of why I would say that this gingerbread house needs an apostrophe? We're not shortening anything. It's dyed. It's about to fall over. Do you know? I bet you do. Okay, the next time we're going to use apostrophes is with possessives, right? So I want to claim this as mine, and I don't want anybody else to be able to have it at all. Okay, so I'm going to write not that anybody else would want it, right? Mrs. Rollies. It's mine. You can't have it, my precious. Okay. So to show ownership, we're going to do an apostrophe and an S. Mrs. Rollies, apostrophe S. This is mine. Don't take it. I love it. I think it's beautiful. That apostrophe S is important because it shows ownership. That's going to be really important for you to use all of Christmas time. You want to claim ownership of your stocking. That is Jack's stocking. Nobody else's. Don't touch it. It's mine. You might want to take possession of your candy cane, your presents under the tree, your treats, your goodies. No, I know you're more about giving than you are about receiving. But the apostrophe S will show ownership and will allow you to claim the things that are yours. Just like I claimed this awesome gingerbread house. So 2 important uses of apostrophes in contractions, when we shortened a word that you can't even read, can't, and in possession, Mrs. Rollies. I hope you'll remember my little activities as you work on your action items for this week, students. And we will catch you next in Tuesday's short video as well. Thank you for joining us.